Hello, boys and girls, to our first zombie apocalypse, or our first zombie outbreak, we're going to call it. So this is quite exciting because you guys are in charge of solving the virus X outbreak. This is the packet that you received from me today. And we're going to go through the packet and we're going to go over your assignment that you need to complete for me. First, this is your emergency notification. Doctors have identified a dangerous virus that is spreading across America. They have named it Virus X. And when people become infected with Virus X, they come down with a variety of symptoms, including coughs, fevers, and nausea. While some people infected with Virus X recover, others turn into zombies. So you're part of a medical research team that works for the Center for Disease Control, the CDC. This is the same CDC you hear about in the news today. Your team has been flown to an airport in Oregon to study a group of people with Virus X. These patients are quarantined in the airport to prevent the virus from spreading. Analyze the information and help the CDC understand the virus, figure out where the virus is coming from, and why some people recover while others become zombies. The first thing you need to do is sign the research report, put your name, first and last name, and the date. You are going to be epidemiologists, and you're going to be investigating the outbreak that's occurring in the United States. You need to use your statistical skills because you're going to determine where the virus is originating, which patients are likely to become zombies, and which patients are which symptoms are most common. But first, what is an epidemiologist? When disease outbreaks or other threats emerge, epidemiologists are on the scene to investigate. Often, they are called disease detectives. They search for the cause of the disease and identify the people who are at risk. They determine how to control or stop the spread or prevent it from happening again. Physicians, veterinarians, scientists, and other health professionals often train to be these disease detectives. What do they do? Like investigators at the scene of a crime, disease detectives begin by looking for clues. They systematically gather information, asking questions such as, well, who is sick? What are their symptoms? When did they get sick? Where could they have been exposed? This is all data that is often collected and has been collected for you to analyze the Virus X. You're going to use statistical analysis and I know this is information we have done before. So the first thing you're going to do is figure out who recovers and who becomes zombified. It's difficult to analyze the data in list form, which you see in the back of your packet. Start your analysis by creating 2 dot plots on the number lines below. Make 1 dot plot for the ages of the people who became zombies and another dot plot for the ages of people who have recovered. So these are your 2 number lines that you're going to use. Be sure to title each dot plot. So let's look at the data. You will notice that mine is in 2 pages here. Yours is 1. I recommend that you highlight perhaps those that have become zombies and if you look at the table, it gives you the name, the age, the symptoms, the state they're from, the days of illness before recovery or zombification, or if they became zombified or recovered. Separate them into 2 categories such as zombies or recovered. I would recommend doing that. Then go back, first. Pay attention to the ages. This first person, Sky, was 20 years old. So you're going to use that data in plotting your dot plot. Don't forget, 1 is for those who became zombies and 1 is for those who recovered. I'm going to stop this now. When you're done, compare the dot plots. What do you notice? What conclusions can you draw? So I'm going to stop this again. I'm going to stop this now. And we will continue in the next video. Complete your dot plots and answer this question.